These are my two favorite friends playing. One's named Barkley, and the other one's named Sparky. And Barkley's the one playing with the bowl. Well, he was. Come here, boy. Come here. Yeah. How you doing? How you doing, Sparky? What are you doing? Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Barkley. Yeah, come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Barkley is the wild one of the bunch. What is it, Barkley? What is it? What is it, boy? Come on. Come on. Go get it. Go play and